Today we're going to talk about dealing with losses. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, and today we're going to talk about dealing with losses. So earlier this week I had a couple of trades. They didn't work out. They were both losing trades, and I was really just for a moment in time really frustrated. But I've got a little in my playbook, I've got a section in there, basically it's called coping with losses. And one of the things I do after every trade is I quickly journal as I take a position. I sort of write as it evolves what my thought was to enter the trade, how it evolved, if it played out as I saw, and if it didn't, did I execute my plan accordingly in terms of limiting my losses, taking the loss, getting out, etc. How could I have traded that better? What did I do well? But one of the ways is that sometimes the market, you're going to be in the market and you're going to have losing trades, and you're just going to be out of sync with the market for whatever reason. There might be, I looked at a higher time frame and I was like, wow, how did I miss that? That was so obvious. So sometimes you're just not going to be in sync. And what you've got to do, number one, did you follow your plan? Number two, did you, manage the downside? So you took the smallest loss possible. Number three, yes, I did that. And, so okay, don't beat yourself up. But number four, I always, as I've talked about in my other videos, I like to, get out, have a bit of stress relief in terms of, today we came down to the beach. We had a workout this morning with the dogs, but I'm just coming down for a quick swim. Beautiful morning down here. But you have to remember that every trade you take is just another trade. And the key is to stick to your plan, because a series of losses, you could have 10 losses in a row. But if you've managed that downside correctly, your next trade may be one that just blows all those 10 losses out of the water. And and it may take 3 trades to do that, but the key is really sticking to your plan. The money management, the methodology, the psychology behind managing those trades, that's what's going to ensure your longevity, number one, in terms of staying in the game, but also extracting your positive expectancy, in terms of profits out of the market. So it took me a long time to learn a lot of small lessons, because I kept making big mistakes over and over again. There's only 2 or 3, but they were big ones because they were really heavily damaging my account. So, I go to bed at night, I sleep well. I don't wake up in the middle of the night stressing about, a big loser that's still in the market. I love what Jesse Livermore said, a loss never bothered me after I took it. But as long as I sat on it and stewed and emotionally drained me, that's what psychologically destroys your mental capital and your bank account. So if you're having a losing week, or if you've had some losing trades, go back, review them, keep track of everything in your journal, build your playbook, get my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. It's just about ritualizing high performance habits and constantly improving upon them so that you're always moving forward in terms of constant improvement. Trading mastery is a lifelong destination. The markets are always evolving, they're dynamic, they're never static. There's going to be times when simple things work really well, and there's going to be other times where you just got to walk away. So there's thousands of trades ahead of you. Stay disciplined, stay focused, stick to what works, and keep it simple, traders. Have a great trading week, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.